When it comes to teacher appreciation gifts, exactly who should be getting presents or who should be getting recognized rather during this time and during the special days throughout the year? Like, should you just limit it to the teachers or are you supposed to include other people? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. If we haven't yet met, I'm Christina Heidick of PTO Answers, and I am a verified PTO nerd, my friends. I have been volunteering in some sort of capacity over the last decade, actually a little bit more than a decade because it's been for stinking ever, in my children's school, and I love PTO so much that I share these videos with you. So anyways, let's get back to the topic at hand, and that is exactly who should be getting teacher appreciation gifts. So I kind of feel like everybody that has a role in making the school run should be recognized. So I really kind of think Teacher Appreciation Week needs to be renamed to Staff Appreciation Week because yes, teachers are very important to making the school run, but they're not doing it by themselves. It takes the office administrators, the secretaries, the custodians, the lunch ladies, all of those people too, the recess monitors, principals, assistant principals. Heck, you might even extend it to your board members. Like everyone has a role in the job of making sure that the school is running and that the kids are getting what they need. So you shouldn't just be limiting your attention, your focus, your money to teachers. I think your PTO really would be best served if you appreciate everybody, if you recognize everybody and include everyone. So sometimes it might be a little hard to get everybody all at once. So there's no harm in splitting people up. For example, you might want to do, like a lot of groups, and my groups included, do a staff appreciation lunch. Well, there are night custodians who aren't even on, they're not even at work at lunchtime. So what we do for those groups or that group of people is that we just have send them dinner. One year I just ordered pizza, a salad, some soda, had it delivered to school, and boom, we were done. They were ecstatic, they felt recognized and appreciated, and they didn't feel left out because it's ultimately the last thing you want to do is to exclude anybody or make them feel less than just because they're not a teacher. If you start recognizing everybody, I guarantee that people in the school are going to treat you differently. They're going to be more apt to go out of their way. But that's not really the real reason to do it. The real reason to do it is just to say thank you to them because they're awesome, because they help your children's educational experience be what it is. So there you have it. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. So take care until next time.